I am Leo Rodriguez. I am the CEO at Helgen Technologies. Helgen is a robotics company. We connect robots with industries. Basically, robots don't connect very well with each other if they are manufactured by different companies. So we're solving that problem by creating an interface that basically connects them. And we're also doing digital twins and some management services as well. Helgen Technologies is located at the RDI Hub in County Kerry in Ireland. We also have an office in Mexico and a small office in Baltimore in the US. The advantage for us to being in the RDI Hub is that we're very close to the businesses that we support. We're transforming agricultural communities into digital communities. We're transforming ports into digital ports and things like that. After COVID, communication in companies has changed a lot. We have 20 people in our team, and all of them are working remotely. But we have to actually work time to time with our customers on site, and then that helps to improve the human connection with the team. I wouldn't say it's better or worse, it's just different. The Irish startup ecosystem, it's been great for us, particularly the guys like RDI Hub, Dogpatch Labs. These guys are super supportive, and it's great for us to be here.
I think the work Huawei is doing in terms of connecting in with the local ecosystem through the startups, through the research programs, is really helping to embed Huawei in locally. And the program that's happening at the moment with the 10 startups here in Dogpatch Labs, I think is excellent.
For startups, we can bring the state-of-the-art resources for the cloud infrastructure. But in the meantime, we can also bring the know-how from technical and commercial perspective with the on-site resources in Europe for our Europe startups.
I think the key part to be in this program is the actual connection to Huawei. A lot of our customers are from Asia, so we feel that Huawei could potentially boost that connection up.
Just given the size of Ireland, we're a very small country, it's really important that we face outwards. And you'll find that Irish entrepreneurs from the get-go understand that the Irish market probably isn't where it's at for them, so they tend to look global first.
So I'm Leo Rodriguez. I am the CEO at Helgen Technologies. We see an excellent opportunity for a potential partnership with Huawei to accelerate our development on their cloud services and allow our expansion to Europe and Asia. The pitch today went very well, and really what I think is that we nailed the message. It's just recent when we actually learn about the work that Huawei is doing in terms of cloud computing and edge computing, and that is very relevant to our business. So we hope to have a long-lasting cooperation going forward with them.
In terms of the Irish ecosystem, specifically about the startups, everyone is very, very forward-looking, and they are welcoming to have access to the international market, not limited to just for the Europe. I think that's a very impressive part of the Irish ecosystem.